We're rocking today, and I'd like to welcome everybody in for the big show. This isn't the big show. This is the Seth show. Nate, lovely Nate is here. Nate, are you here?
I'm here. Hey, everyone.
Nate
Hope everyone's having a good
here.
morning or afternoon.
Nate got blasted with a COVID vaccine shot for the last couple days.
Yes, I had the Pfizer shot, and I was just having flu-like symptoms. It was not fun. I didn't think they were ever going to go away, but here I am now, feeling great.
We're here, and everyone's doing great. Okay, guys, today's the big day. I was very excited about all this today. I see you all here. I want to let some people jump in. Colin, I see you. I'm going to try one thing real quick, y'all. Let's see if this works. No. Okay.
Seth, this is Patreon only here?
Yes, this is thanks for saying that, Nate. This is Patreon only, so it's just us. And look at that microphone. Look at that microphone. How funny. Yes, you lost weight, Seth. Yes, World Weightlifting. Good to see you. Yeah, I have lost 20 pounds so far out of the 40. And yeah, so, all right, guys, I want to take a little bit of time to let some folks jump in. I know it's early in the morning. And then we're going to start buying at 9:30. I'd like to know who is, oh, okay, Colin's jumping on board today. Nicholas, I want to know who else is getting on board with all of us today. If you are, let's write in the comments. Hey, Neil. Hey, Laura. Exclusive. Laura, are you jumping in today? Who else is going bonkers? I'd love to hear. Oh my gosh, Barcelona editors here. Wow, guys, you're incredible. So today, I'm not Mo. I'm not going to be doing the news. We won't be doing any trading analysis today. We're just going to be buying. I will announce the little book winner. How exciting!
Oh yeah.
Right, Nate? I swear, I thought like maybe like a half dozen, couple dozen of you would would enter the contest, but I was getting Patreon messages, I was getting Discord messages, and so my wife helped me randomize this, and we got a winner. So I'll be announcing that a little later as well. And yeah, oh, thanks everybody, and great everybody. Oh, Laura, you're not. You're just here to. Okay, how much do I have to donate to Stock Reviews? Jonathan. Oh my God, Jonathan, don't give money. Don't donate for me. I don't want to see that. That would, I mean, yeah. Oh my gosh, Roy is from Hong Kong. Okay. Oh, you guys aren't even in for the little book stuff. You're just here. I already purchased 6 stocks a month ago. Load up to great. Dwayne is saying he's getting in. Oh my gosh, look at this. Someone's saying I saw your interview with Gio for a Brazilian champ. Yeah, long story, guys.
Isn't that awesome that that's gotten all the way from here to South America?
Yeah, so folks, my son is a huge fan of a Cleveland Cavaliers basketball player named Anderson Varejão, and he's a Brazilian basketball player and played for the Cavs for a long time. And then he got traded, and my son was crushed. There's a kind of a video made, kind of went semi-viral out there because I filmed my son. I was breaking the news to him that one of his favorite players got traded, and he broke down in tears. And anyway, it really touched Anderson Varejão. So fast forward 6 years later, and he's back on the Cavs, and he reached out to my son, and they had a little meetup, and it was kind of cute. So yeah. Oh my gosh, Joel is in Japan.
Wow.
This is just astounding. Okay, I'll be buying some. Beth is buying today. Great, guys. Melbourne. Holy cow. So it looks like, Nate, if we go live early, we get lots of foreign folks. And look at this. All the American folks are still sleeping, Nate, including almost you. So
Yeah, it's true.
yeah, so all right, guys. Well, this is great. So the market's gonna open here in 20 some odd minutes. Let me fix this up. Let me fix this mic real quick, guys. Nate, fill in the
Everyone, make sure you're smashing that like button, or as Seth would say, fondling the thumbs up.
And okay, so I had some questions I wanted to address for everybody. One of the more polarizing things is what market cap we use for this. I've been asked this 100 times. Paul just said, I think you should use 500 million. So I do, is my minimum market cap. I don't, people are asking why. I guess I should know why, but just because I listen to Uncle Paul, I guess, would be a good, I guess maybe someone out there, how would I say this, folks? I'll lead with this, and I'll probably say this a few times. If you haven't read the book and you're trying to justify all this, what I am not is one of these book specialists. I read it again. My son's read, but there's some data in here, and there's some simple instructions. I'm in a very lucky position that I bought all my stocks all at once, and I've heard that a lot of people aren't in the same situation. But there are very clear instructions in the book about if you want a dollar cost average, if you want to get in on a monthly basis, buy a little here, buy a little there. Next month, keep going and going and going. There are very clear instructions on how to do that. In the end, wow, look at On from Dubai. In the end, guys, I think it's just a balance. So at any point in time, I would not get too hung up on the actual companies in the formula. They very well might change. People are telling me that Turtle Beach has jumped on and off the last couple of days. It was down. Hell, I've been down 14% on Turtle Beach since I bought. And I guess it recently climbed back up a bit. So it's back on the list. And so we'll see today what's on. But I wouldn't get too hung up on the companies. A friend of mine, we were having a conversation. And he's like, yeah, I'm all in. I'm good to go. Except I just can't fathom buying Nautilus. This is a dying company. And I was like, well, I don't know what to say. It's on the list. I trust the list. Paul's led me here. And so, Nate, that's just what I'm doing. I don't know what else to say. It's just, it's on the list. I'm buying it. And if it falls off the list tomorrow, so be it. But that's sort of the story. So
So Seth, if a stock falls off the list, even let's say the day after you buy it, you're still holding it for 1 year though. You're not selling it immediately.
Yeah, that's correct, Nate. We're doing this, folks, because again, when it falls off the list like Turtle Beach, I don't know why I'm air quoting. When it falls off the list like Turtle Beach, it just means that maybe if the stock went down 3%, maybe the market cap dropped below 500 and it falls off my list. But if I did the market cap, as many patrons have been saying, if I do the market cap at 250 million, then it'll be back on the list. So it's totally up to you. I'm sure there's something in the book about choosing whether you want to do what market cap. But again, yeah, Uncle Paul made him do it. Yeah, so let's keep going, guys. I was glad to see everyone, so many people here. Okay, let's see. Greetings, everyone's great. Oh, sweet. Why did you pick? Oh, someone's saying that someone picked 100 million. That seems a little. I had a friend who was somewhat worrisome that we were picking too small of a companies. That was not proper English. We were picking companies that were too small in terms of market cap. But yeah, I guess I'm okay with it. I mean, and yes, there was some. I did get some help from patrons about my actual returns, and I did look at the calculations, which I can show you guys on my computer screen. So let's see. If I go to my Roth here and go to performance, here you go. It's gonna. Nate, are you sharing this, baby?
I got a blank screen.
Check 6, baby. Check 6.
I'm on 6. It's actually showing the other monitor.
Oh, okay. Give me a second. Let me. Sorry, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Let's do this, baby. This. There we go.
All right, we're good, Seth.
Great. Yeah. So here we go. Actually, yesterday this was 59%. Today it's 57%. And then I will be buying, folks. I will be buying my wife's stocks today as well. So yeah, we can go over all of that. Nate, you can jump off. Look how yucky this screen is. Oh my gosh. Okay. So Ron says, what's the point of picking companies with low market cap? Is it to see larger returns? Ron, I think in general with everything, especially with this. It's quite plain and simple as a value investor. And I know I'm going to keep talking about this book, Richer, Happier, Wiser.
Yep. Yeah. Richer, Wiser, Happier.
Thanks. Richer, Wiser, Happier. If it's almost like it follows along the top investors of the past century. And moreover, they all agree, if they're talking about it, we're probably not a buyer. One guy, Howard Marks, he popularized his loan sentence in his mind when he got approached a deal is it cheap? If it wasn't cheap, I'm not buying it. That's just it. And so I had to ingrain this in my head. So I actually relish in trying to find small companies. Like I use Turtle Beach as a great one because their market cap's 500 mil and their free cash was 430 mil last year. It's just absurd. Now, maybe last year was a huge year, of course, for headphones and gaming, but yeah. So people tell me they're into Tesla, and I'm just like, yeah, just look at. Yeah. So I guess the point is, that if everyone else is doing it, we're probably not. And I've taken this path in other parts of my career, and I really liked it. Kind of the loner feeling of like, I'll just watch all those other people do what they think is right, and I'll do it this way. And so, not all the time though, folks. I mean, I was in Tesla, I was in Bitcoin, I was arguing with Paul how wonderful Bitcoin was. So. But yeah, that's why we're picking some smaller companies. So, Nate, what else do you see in there?
Well, there's some questions about Paul coming on later, but
are the boys in their new home in where did they go?
I believe so. They went to Turks and Caicos today.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the boys are in their new mansion they just bought in Turks and Caicos to finalize the deal. Very gorgeous. We'll certainly do Patreon only videos to document that for you guys. And of course, as patrons, you do get a discount if you want to get in the Mexico homes or in the new Turks and Caicos deal. Are there international stocks? As far as I know, the answer is no, in terms of the little book stocks. So I don't know if Paul's coming on. It would be nice if he did, but this is unlisted, so I don't think he'll find it. He's not working too hard. So go ahead, Nate.
Seth, you've sold your 1 year holdings, correct?
Yeah. So
the magic formula.
Yep, folks. So yesterday, Nate, if you want to get over here. Yesterday, I sold the Coherus Bioscience. This one's down 15. This one was down 15%. And I sold Innoviva is still on the list, so I'm keeping it. And this Perdocio Education, this is down 20%. This is still on the list, so sadly, I'll be buying more, darling. And that sucks. And what else? Those are my only 2 losses, actually, right? No, three. I think Innoviva is on the list. So we'll grab a new list today and go for it. So yes, I did sell yesterday just those 2 stocks, and I did for my wife's account as well. And so what I'll be doing today, which if it gets boring, maybe it'll be boring and we'll just not do it. But what I'll do today is go through the process of selling off all this stuff and then rebuying. And again, in the end, folks, with all the questions you might have, or at least the ones I've seen, it's just a balance. I want to get a balance of these 30. So if I'm selling off and I have a new cash available to trade balance, I've also saved for my Roth IRA the $6,000 this year. I've already put that in, so there'll be new money coming in. And so, yeah, so I'll be selling off all the ones that aren't on the list, amassing a big stack of cash, and then rebuying. So, yeah.
Seth, will any of these little book stocks be going in your IRA, or are these going all in your brokerage account?
No. So those are kind of 2 different things. Whoever asked, I'm sorry. Those are kind of one and the same, folks. So like a brokerage account is any account, and the IRA is just the IRA is just one of my brokerage accounts. So this is my Roth IRA, and my rollover IRA has some nonsense in it. Not some nonsense, but it's just my rollover IRA is stuff that I thought I was wise enough to buy. Let's see, I'll show you, folks. Yes, this is my rollover. This is from a previous job I had. So I rolled over a bunch of money that I was saving. They were controlling, and they gave it to me, and then I bought it. So I have SPY, I have MSGN, I have Jets. Here's my Turtle Beach. Some more Turtle Beach that I liked. Intel. So Cardinal Health. This is a trade I'm doing with Mo, still down. Biogen, I haven't sold. So yeah, this is a different account. I thought about my goal was I wanted to put all of this in there as well. Hell, another $110,000, and leave some for trading for the investor trader or the employee trader series. So, but just today, this is my Roth IRA. So I don't know how the hell this got up to be so much money now that I think about it. Because my Roth, I can only save $6,000 a year. So how the hell did I get to $100,000? Well, it's okay. I see. I'm sorry. Yeah. So it's been 10 years I've been doing this. That's how I think. Actually, 12 years I've been doing this. So that's how I got that much in here. Wow. Geez Louise. I guess what I'm saying, folks, is the fact that it's a Roth IRA account that had not so much limits, but just like the limit of tax advantages, that I've never put more than $6,000 a year. In fact, it used to be $5,000 and then it was $5,500. So maybe for total, I've only put like $6,000, $60,000, but somehow it's $250. Is that possible? I don't know. Maybe 60 went to 90. And of course, 150 went to 250 last year. So that's a huge jump. So, wow. Nate and Tim doing this. Nate is very young.
Yes, Ron, I don't quite have the funds to be taking part in this yet. I would say I plan on doing this in the future, though.
Okay, Ron's saying Perdocio has good free cash flow. I purchased as well. Yeah, and that one hurts. Okay. Are you blindly following the list? Bit weird to buy something you don't even know in it. What is that? Yeah, Virgil. Ah, nice. Yeah, it is a bit weird to blindly follow this list, unless of course you read a whole book and do tons of research on this whole process and watch YouTube videos on it, and then start saying, yes, this makes a lot of sense to me. And again, I was blindly buying anything prior to this to begin with, and I think most of you who might be joining probably were. That's like the main story we always get, is I was just blindly buying stocks because I heard them on the news, heard them from my uncle, heard them on Facebook. Oh, dear God, Nate. I went on TikTok last night, just searched general stock investing, and we are doomed, folks. I don't know what ages everyone is out there. We are doomed? Nate, I want to show this to Paul, but I mean, like, literally every single video is a 19-year-old just pointing at a computer and just saying how they're millionaires, and just everyone can be millionaires. It's so simple. and then they just list off like, here's what I'm buying to make me a millionaire, and they're just rattling off like every single hype stock. They don't give any. It's just completely bonkers, and so yeah, no, we're doomed, dude. It's there's a point in the movie. There's a point in the movie. Oh gosh, The Big Short, where he's just like, it's a bubble, just short everything. It's like, oh my god. But we'll get into that later. So okay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Love to see Seth. Okay, let's do this, folks. While we get ready, you're doing TikTok reaction video. Dom, I think we wanted to do a TikTok reaction video, but guys, it's just yeah. Anyone know what the Roth IRA is equivalent in Canada? If anyone knows out there, can you fire it up and let us know? That'd be great. In Canada, does the new list come up every year on July 1st? Mattia, thanks for asking. I'm just starting on July 1st because I started last year. The list is updated. The Magic Formula list is updated every single day. And let's do this. I'll just go look up another one. Hold on a second, Nate. Well, go. You can log in here, Nate. Come on over.
All right, I'm going to your screen right now.
So Magic Formula Investing. Okay, folks, if you haven't done it, you can go here. You sign up for free, register right here, give me your email. That's it. I'm going to log in, put in my super secret password, which is I love Paul123, and we're going to go in here. And then again, this is where people are asking what's the minimum. Okay, so the list of companies larger than 500. Okay, so here's where they give you a little guidance. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I just put 500 million here. That's what I like to do. And then I do 30 stocks. Get stocks. Boom, here they are. Is Turtle Beach back on? Come on, baby. No, it's off. Shucks. Okay, so here we go. This is it, folks. This is what's happening today. And Mattia was asking, did these change, I guess, on a daily basis? Yes, if the market cap falls under 500, they're gone. So let's head over to Turtle Beach. Oh boy, Nate, you can Nate, come off this computer real quick and Nate ask some questions. This is gonna take a minute to log in. You all know that.
Yeah, guys, keep sending your questions to me and Seth. We're all learning this process of the Magic Formula investing together, and we ultimately want to teach and learn from each other. So
wow, listen to this guy. Rest in pepperoni's Don, because Nate's bringing the hammer.
Hey, now that I'm feeling good again, I got to make the most of my time here at the studio.
All right, come on over. So let's look up Turtle Beach. All right, let's see what's happening with this company, because I do like this. Boom, see, folks? So the market cap dropped below 500. It must have been yesterday. Oh, yeah, so look at this. So here's this drop I've been subtly going on, and then look yesterday. Look at that. It probably went from, yesterday was probably over, and then it had a little bit of a fall. So here it is. Turtle Beach is below our market cap, so she dead to us now. Okay. Yeah, so this is the list, and I can keep taking some questions, guys. Let's see. What's Nate's social? Oh my gosh, greetings from Singapore. And what time do you start buying? Virgil, I know Mo always says let's start buying at 10 after. I'm just gonna start buying, because this isn't like, I mean, it's just not there's not a frenzy around a lot of these stocks. I'm certain the volume on Tupperware will be quite laughable this morning, but yeah, so yeah. Who is that talking? Okay, guys, give me 1 second. Let me show the boys what you got.
All right, hey guys, talking right here. I am Nate. What camera should I switch to?
It's probably one right after 6. Try it.
Let's see. Oh, hey. All right. Hey guys, I'm Nate. I'm one of the producers for Everything Money.
Look how handsome he is.
I'm 20. I'm in college right now, but Seth and I are neighbors, and he got me involved with helping with Everything Money and Dynasty Owner, 2 of our startups. And it's been really awesome because I'm really into media production, writing, filmmaking. So to be able to help with Everything Money and get this channel off the ground, now we're at 50,000 subscribers. It's been awesome. So taking part and even just helping Seth with this morning show right now, it's been a lot of fun. Keep your questions coming to both of us, and we'll get to as many as we can.
Okay, yeah. So Joe, welcome in. I see your first live stream. You know I love you nonetheless. Spanglish is asking, what about looking at 50 stocks from the list using technical analysis? Spanglish, if you want to get that bonkers with it, have at it. I mean, we could take, if you want to go bonkers, like I said, here, look, I'll go to 50. And then if you want to start running some of these through the Everything Money software, the 8 pillars, you can. I mean, this is just a basis point. for me, how would I say? Paul gets upset when someone says I don't have time. So I'm not looking to make time to do as much research as Paul did. I'm just building what I think is a very diversified ETF. And so yeah, but you're welcome to, you can research till you're blue in the face. I mean, Paul talks about Gary Mashuris, and this guy will go, and Mo too. I mean, Mo, when he's studying these biopharmaceutical companies, he literally flies down to Florida and goes to a biopharmaceutical drug conference and talks to people about what people are doing to invest in, to learn more about some of these stocks. As you know, I have a couple other businesses. This really isn't full time for me, the show at least, quite yet. And so yeah, like I guess I am just kind of blindly following the list and going for it. So yeah, so great questions though. Okay, what else? Hi from Texas. Good to see nephew Nate. Nate's great. Great job, Nate. Great. Does it really matter what time you buy?
Thank you, everyone.
Does it really matter at what time you buy, or are you holding a stocks for a year? Yeah, Virgil. So it doesn't matter when you buy, because again, we're just dollar cost averaging. And I've been sort of upset with myself, guys. Maybe you felt this way, is like this cash was sitting around for me prior to COVID. We had Mo on this show in October 2019. Maybe it was November. And he said, I see a crash coming in February. And of course, I don't know why he said that. Maybe he doesn't know why, but sure enough, that's when it all kind of started crashing down, or at least the fear was. So I pulled all my stuff and put it in cash like December, January prior to COVID. I was in a bunch of nonsense anyway. So we had hardly been analyzing stocks, Nate, that long. And so, yeah, so I was just ready for a rebuy, and then COVID hit. Then I rebought all at once. So I just got kind of lucky. So I'll only be buying 30 today. But what the heck was the question? Here I go. So no, it doesn't matter when you buy. I would say if you're buying every month, a balanced position every month. Say you want to invest a new $500 or $600 a month, or maybe you're going bonkers. Maybe it's $1,000. Then you would just get your Excel spreadsheet or your Google Sheets sheet and just say, on this date, I bought this and this. And then that way you can keep track about your 1 year. And then then you'll update it the following year. So if it goes down, you want to sell in the days prior. And again, just simple instructions right out of the book, guys. I mean, for example, they say step 4 is after you get cooking is buy 5 to 7 top-ranked companies to start investing on 20-30% of the money you intend to invest during the year, and then you just keep going and going and going. Or he says you can even save up for 3 months and then buy. That might be more advantageous than, unless you're a bookkeeper, maybe buying every single month, and you might have a fairly long spreadsheet of buys and sells. Then sell each stock after holding it for a year. For taxable accounts, sell winners after holding them a few days more than 1 year. So for me, it is 1 year. And then use the proceeds from any sale and any additional investment money to replace the sold companies with an equal number of new magic formula selections. So it's all in the book, guys. So it does seem weird to blindly follow this, unless of course you read all this and it doesn't seem weird at all. So, okay. Let's give away the book, y'all. Okay.
The time is now, everyone.
The time is now. Okay, so like I said, overwhelmed with positivity, positive comments, and I was really, it's funny, not a lot. There are some companies that are not big fans of giveaways, like the juice versus squeeze. But obviously, this one's not that phenomenal of a Tesla giveaway, but the boys did sign it. This is a signed book, not by the author, by Paul and Mo and myself. And so I randomized the list with some help from my wife. She's very adamant about this. I saw the Discord messages. I saw the Patreon messages. I appreciate them. I tried to respond as all as I could, but we got, just on Patreon alone, Nate, 380 something responses. Almost 10% of patrons want this book. So So anyway, oh my God, Ron is saying I should make an audiobook. I've actually thought about that. I mean,
I think you have a good voice for an audiobook.
Well, all right,
you would
fine,
keep
that's
the reader
next.
engaged.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that then. So okay. Okay, so here we go. So again, folks, I randomized the list, and congratulations to Maurice Moschini. Maurice Moschini, I don't know you, but I love you. You were the winner of the little book, a signed copy, Maurice Moschini.
Congratulations, Maurice.
I think he's definitely foreign because his email ends in AU. Anybody know what that is? I don't.
Australia, maybe?
So I'll be shipping this somewhere in the world to Maurice Moschini. Maurice, if you're on, let me know. If you're not, I'll give you an email. But congrats to Maurice. And if anyone knows Maurice from the Discord, let me know. So, yeah. So can I do the audiobook? Yeah. So folks, I didn't know this book giveaway was going to be so great. At least so, I don't know. It was just great. The positivity all around was awesome. So, yeah. So we'll do more of these. I love doing this. So, yep. So congrats to Maurice Moschini, the winner of the little book. And we will be doing many more of these. I assure you guys, many more giveaways because it was just fun to sign something, even though we're just three normal guys in a room. And okay, so he's in Australia. So I will be shipping this UPS. It'll probably cost me about $87 to ship to Australia, and you'll get this book in just a short 6 months from now. You'll probably get this book, so I'll send that out to Maurice, and hopefully maybe Maurice. I can be Maurice. Juan says I can be Maurice. All right, Juan, congratulations. You can just change your name. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, so the market is open here in 2 minutes. If you guys want to start going bonkers with me. Oh, and Jonathan, that's right. John's waiting for his flowered shirt. John, just check the mail. I just anxiously. In fact, just go stand by your mailbox every day and just wait for the postal service to drive by. It should be there soon. So, okay, yes, right, Virgil. I'm excited too.
Seth, this is the big moment.
Thank you, Nate, for saying that. Because yeah, I am nervous, guys. I'm surprised. I hardly couldn't sleep last night. I just get excited. It's not often we buy on this show, and so we're buying. So we'll go through this together. And Harry, will you be going straight off of the list, or will you be pulling the 5 pillars and evaluating the companies yourself? 8 pillars. Actually, well, yeah, we're going to be reevaluating the 8 pillars. No, I'm not going to be evaluating, but you totally can do that, guys. So of course you can take the list and then evaluate from there. I will not be. I'm just trusting the system. Seth needs to do a book on tape and start with 50 Shades of Grey. Oh, Nick. Oh, so wise. Are you buying on the opening bell? Yeah, Vern. I mean, opening bell. I'm not going to like frantically start buying, but yeah, once the market opens here, we'll do it together. I'll show you guys what's up. So, yeah, thanks, Laura. Laura, where are you located? Do you know where Laura's located, Nate? I can't remember, but anyway.
No, I don't.
She's always so positive.
Laura, let us know.
Yeah. So, okay, guys. Yeah. So as soon as it strikes 9:30, we'll start cooking here, and I guess I can run you through my wife's stocks. They look very similar to mine, so this will be a bit confusing because we have our. So let's go back. Let's get prepared for this. So we'll get our little book stocks here. Bam. Okay. And then we get our Fidelity going. And let me minimize this so I can listen to comments and share and everything like that. Guys, we're doing great.
Seth, be sure to let me know when to switch over to your screen, as I don't want to give any account numbers. Or
well,
whatnot.
yeah, I think the account numbers are out of the bag, folks. So I don't know if I can. Market's open, John. I don't know if I can cover them up, and nor do I really care. So I guess if you want to try and spam me, go for it. But yeah, so they're going to be there. I called someone at Fidelity. Watching from Hong Kong. Wow. Roy.
Seth, we've touched 5 out of 7 continents.
Yeah, and it's funny is we're in the studio's in Antarctica. You know that, Nate. I mean, you flew here this morning, so we're on. Yeah, it's cold here, but that's spoiler alert. That's where we're located. Kidding. Okay. Seth needs a Roy bot voice changer for times like this. Emotion. Let's follow the process. Yep, that's true. Jin is asking, are you following Mo's 10 a.m. rule? No, I'm not. I'm just going for it. I would, guys, but we decided to start at 9 o'clock. I know everybody. Mo never buys in the first hour. Now they're grilling. Hey, listen, I'm glad you guys are following a process. I bet Joel and Jin, I bet you guys never thought when one, I just assume you would never think that like, hey, listen, never buy till 10:06. I don't know why, just because Mo says that's good discipline, guys. But Yeah, that's good, guys. Yep, you're right. Yeah, his password is I love you. Yeah, Roy, you got me hooked on it. Okay, let's get after it, guys. Okay, so going to my Roth here. Okay, let's see some of these. Allied Transmission. Is it on the new list? Nope, she gone. There I am. Hold on. Let me move this next to here. Okay, Allied Transmission. Boom. Sell it, baby. So how did I do on this puppy? Well, before we sell, let's just take a look here. So, okay, so I put in $5,000 last year. It's up 10.5%. Beat the market. Love it. Let's sell it. Boom. I'm gonna go to sell and sell all these bitches. Okay, here we go. We're gonna mark right now, and we're gonna skip. And we're gonna preview, and we're selling this. Boom. Okay, gone. Nate, what's up, babe?
What'd you say?
What?
Oh.
What?
Oh, nothing.
Okay, good.
But the first trades are through.
Thank you, Nate, for bringing the drama. AMCX, is it on? Let's see, folks. AMCX, it's gone. She gone.
And we made a video a few days ago, and AMCX was on the list. That's how fast it can change, I guess.
Boom. Let's look it up. AMCX. You guys know this site, AMCX. Let's take a look. Market cap. Oh, 2 billion. Is this right? AMCX. $2 billion. What is going on? Oh, no. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, besides market cap, we can see, look at this, folks. This is key here. Yeah, so this is where it was last July when I bought, and this is where it is now. It's no longer an undervalued stock. In fact, it's tripled. So does that show it in my, let's see, did I do this thing? Oh, okay, let me see. You know what this was, folks? This might be, AMCX might be the stock that I bought when I sold my EBIX. So I did stray from the formula a bit, and Paul hates me for that. So, but either way, AMCX is gone. I'm only up 6%. Screw you, AMCX. I'm out of here. So sell all and market order, and let's go, and we gone. Okay, great.
There it is.
The first transport is wait, Neo, I love it. So happy to see Academy Sports. Yeah. Look. Okay. Wow. Wes has been on this. Gone. I love it. Buying and selling. I live in Nashua, New Hampshire. Oh my God. Oh, Nashua. I think I have a friend out there. Oh, born in Colombia. Okay. I got all your stocks right. Great guys. Investing. Watching to the moon. Love it, guys. I know I'm not supposed to be buying until 10:06. I love you. All right, here we go. What about, let's refresh here. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Let's go next, folks. Cigna Corp. What did we do on Cigna Corp? 24% since last year. I put in $5,000. I have 6,200. Let's take a look. Cigna's on. We're staying. Okay, so folks, Cigna Corp is staying. We're just gonna be buying more of it today. How about, let me blow this up a little bit more so we can see. Corcept Therapy. How did we do on Corcept? Is Cort still on? No, Corcept is gone. So obviously, folks, it went up almost 30% this year, 28%, beat the market, love it, it's gone. Nate, what do you think? Is this I guess, is this boring or is this exciting?
For us, it's pretty exciting. But I think people are liking it.
Good.
Let us know in the comments.
Good. The comments say, you guys suck. No, I'm kidding. You guys are awesome. Okay.
We love you.
Corcept is gone. Next one. Deluxe. Oh, wait. Discovery. Oh, we all know Discovery. What is going on with Discovery? Discovery can't be on this list anymore. And it's gone. So Discovery's been good to me. Look at that. 44%. $5,000 last year. 7,200 this year. Good Lord. Look at these numbers. Wow. Sell it, baby. She gone. Sell all shares.
40%, Seth.
Yeah, that's good stuff, right? Damn. Now look, everybody's up this year. Again, folks, like everybody's up. And so not to get too excited, everybody's up. And so the goal would be when everyone goes red and Meet Kevin and Stockmo are blaming somebody else, hopefully we'll still be rocking. Okay, let's see. GraphTech. I don't think GraphTech's on there anymore, right? EA. Ticker symbol is EAF. And no, it's not on here now. GraphTech is gone as well. GraphTech up 51%. Again, folks,
51%.
I don't know what they do. I don't care. I've never heard of these people before. But 51% the last year. Good Lord, see ya. They gone. Wow, incredible.
If you're buying and selling with Seth right now, just remember, follow the process that the little book is teaching. Even if it seems like you should deviate a little bit. For example, if a company has fraud, stick to the process. It's been back tested by Greenblatt.
Wow, Nate, you're hilarious. I love it. Okay, is in Magic, it's 500 mil. Yes, guys. Are we buying more Cigna? Don't remember. Oh, Cigna is one of them. Let's see. Why are you buying more Cigna? You don't need to rebalance yours. You need to rebalance your account so Cigna is again 1/30th. Oh, okay. The actuary is saying why buying more Cigna. Well, maybe you guys need to help me here. So what I'm going to do is sell everything, come up with a final balance, and then distribute that final balance over the 30 stocks. So since I'm up so much more from last year, I put 5,000 in Cigna last year. And so I'll be putting more into Cigna to rebalance. So, okay, Deluxe Corp. Deluxe Corp is still on. Deluxe Corp, look at this. Now, how the hell are they up 100%?
111%, Seth.
Isn't that astounding that I put in $5,000 and they paid me $5,600 just to put, what the hell is going on? Okay.
That's awesome.
Deluxe Corp is staying, baby. Cigna, CI is staying. DLX is staying. Okay, Fox A. We just did a video on Fox A. It's coming out. Fox A is not on here. She gone. Only up 37%. She gone. Oh, 37%. Oh boy, that's a tough one. Yeah. Okay. Sell all, baby. Market type. Here we go. All right, guys. We're still rocking and rolling. Nate, stay on with questions. I'll plow through this a little bit quicker so we can get cooking.
Seth, do you think people will be discouraged to follow the magic formula if there are down years?
Well, everybody tends to go crazy when there's down years. I mean, we tend to freak out. We tend to oversell. We wonder what the hell's going on. Weren't we feeling this with COVID, right? Like, what the hell's going to happen? Yeah, so, and the news and everything can incite fear. In fact, the funny part is there's this new term, Nate, FUD, which is like, what is FUD again? Fear, FUD. FUD is this new term, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And it's hilarious, Nate, is all the hype channels have now bought into this word, in that someone like Paul, myself, and Mo, who's stressing value investing and how overhyped this market is, we are the ones instilling FUD. So the people with these diamond hands who want to hold all these things going down, if you say otherwise, Nate, you are the one instilling FUD. So yeah, so anyway, that's just a new concept that StockMo and all the bullshit artists out there have grabbed onto now. Okay, let's keep looking. I don't know what the question was, Nate. I just keep plowing through. Okay, HP is staying on. Look at HP. Look at that. HP is staying on, up 76% in the last year. Holy cow. H&R Block, come on, baby. You know I love you. And H&R Block is gone.
It's on there.
Where? What are you talking about? HRB?
Block H&R. It's right under.
Oh, look at that. What are they doing to me? That's weird. H&R Block is staying.
You.
Look at that. H&R Block is staying. HRB is staying. HRB up only 20% in the last year. Okay, Innoviva is staying, right, guys? Innoviva is here. Yep, right here, folks. Innoviva is staying. Okay, great. Let's look at this one. What in God's name is Interpublic Group? Anybody ever heard of this one? Nope. Who cares? I love them. Up 92%, but no longer in love with them anymore. Bought $5,000 last year, made $4,600 on the trade. Holy cow. 92%. She gone. See ya. Okay, great, guys. I say too much. Now you're all going to notice it. Sell all shares. See ya. Boom. Okay.
One thing to remember about our channel, guys, is that none of this is scripted. We are always going right off the top.
That is true. That is true. So if it sounds
like, forgive the ums.
If it sounds like we don't know what we're talking about, we probably don't. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, guys, we're still rocking. Questions. Let's see. Everything Money Halloween costume. Palmas, Elmer Fudd. I'm hunting. Oh, wow. This is great. If the value is already low, there isn't much room to drop on Magic for the companies versus the rest of the market. Search stock list. Okay, great. Is it bad to buy everything all at the same time? Shouldn't you build up your position over time instead? I don't know. No, I mean, I guess no. This is just what I'm doing. My position's already built, so yeah, I don't know. Sorry, Virgil. I don't know. All right, let's keep going, guys. Corn Fairy, was that on there? Let's see, Corn Fairy. What a hilarious name. Who names these companies? Corn Ferry. I don't know what they do. We've reviewed this on the show before. 141%. Dear God.
That's awesome.
Incredible. Again, folks, yeah, like who would have ever found this company? I mean, if you're a huge Corn Ferry, can you imagine if there's a bunch of fanboys coming out like Tesla for the Corn Ferry crew? I'm guessing it's not going to happen. So, okay, Mednex Inc. Is Mednex on there? No, right? Mednex is not. So
I'm not seeing it.
Mednex up 71%. 71%. See you guys. She gone.
We're getting a suggestion for you to use Control F to seek out the ticker symbols.
That's great. I can't Control F this list actually. So, yeah. Okay, great guys. Keep going. I love you. You know I love you. Okay, let's see. Mednex is gone.
Seth, do you think 15K is enough to start?
Oh, absolutely. Who said that? Yeah, that's a great start. Sure. I mean, some of these stocks.
That was Chinchudo.
Yeah, so some of these stocks are going. You can buy partials of almost all of these guys. So I mean, yeah, I would take 15K divided by 30, which is who knows, 15 divided by 30 is $500. Is it $500? Yeah, 15, yeah, something like that. Yes, of course. Put $500 in. You can buy $500 worth of all of these companies, and then next month when you have another $500, you can divide it into all these companies for sure, or save up for 3 months and then add another 15 in divided by 3. So you'd be putting in $30 or 50 bucks a piece. So it can work. Any idea why some of the 500 million companies are on the 550 million list as well? Any idea why some of the 500 mil minimum of, well, I got it. Yes, Colin. Yeah, so it's a minimum of market cap is the bottom threshold, but the top still could be, it could be a $3 billion company and undervalued. It would be on the 50 mil list. So, okay, that's a max. Yeah.
Tim has joined the chat.
Oh, has he? Tim Bambino? Is that our Timmy? No. Who is that? That's not our Tim, is it? I love you nonetheless. All right, let's keep going. Herman, okay, let's keep going. What is McKesson Corp? What is McKesson? Are they on here? They're not. They're dead to us now.
They are not on there. So what are we doing, Seth?
We're selling. And I can't imagine that, Nate, I can't imagine I'm ever going to be having a position in McKesson anytime soon. I don't even know what the hell they do. So.
You mean they're not your favorite company?
Well, I believe in them like Palantir. So, okay, Herman Miller. We've done a video on this, guys. Not on the list anymore. Look at this malarkey. Herman Miller Furniture. I never heard of it. Paul loves it. 100%. I put in $5,000. Got almost $5,400 back. Herman Miller, you've been good to me, but now you're dead to me. Okay. We need some music in the background, Nate.
You want me to try and get fired up on the Mac?
Well, it's really all about the. It's all about the licensing, I think, because we'll get kicked from YouTube if we try and put on a hip beat. Okay, everyone's doing great. Wow, you all are still watching, so at least we're on board here. All right, let's keep going.
Seth, Laura has a question. Do you have any commissions charged with Fidelity for all these transactions?
No, they used to. Boy, I hated that because if you were buying like $20 worth of stocks, it used to be like a $5 fee, but no more. It's there's no fees for any of this, which I don't know how they're making money, but great. Well, I know how they're making money. They do reach out to me and say, "Do I need help?" And I'm sure a lot of people are like, "Yes, I do need help." So, okay, Altria Group. This always stings some people.
We've done a couple videos on Altria Group.
People are always upset because it's basically cigarettes. Someone put in a comment today, if you buy this or BTI, you just support smoking, period. And I wanted to really respond, I support freedom. And so if you want to go smoke, great. If you want to drink, which I do all the time, that's fine too. So it is funny. What am I saying, guys? YouTube commenters. Somebody will say, yes, you support smoking, and then they'll be like, yeah, as they're cracking a 20 White Claws this weekend on the 4th of July. So go figure. Okay, so Altria Group is gone, though, only up 21%. Sad. So actually, yeah, so it's funny is in a normal year, 21% would be great, but this stock actually underperformed the market because the market return was around 40%. So interesting.
Can you hear the music, Seth?
No, you're not feeding into my board back into your board. Yeah, I mean, I guess I don't know I don't know if it's worth pumping in some music, and then yeah, I don't know. Oh wait, I can hear it now, but don't make it too loud. It sounds too loud. You need to turn it like way down to like 5 or something. But then we're gonna be listening to the same 4 songs, Nate.
All right.
All right, pull it back a bit. All right, here we go. We'll keep going, guys. Questions, everybody. How we doing? On Schwab, you can only buy partial stocks. Oh, okay. On Schwab, you can only buy partial stock for the S&P 500. Okay, darn. Oh, we can't buy partial stocks in Canada.
Interesting.
That sucks, guys. Get the book. I'm sure they'll guide you a bit. Okay, we'll keep going.
Which others do we have to sell, Seth?
Omnicorp. Who the hell is Omnicorp? They are not on the list.
So they're dead to us.
Yes, Omnicorp. Only up 48%. These fools buying this stuff. Yeah. Order. Preview. And buy. You guys are doing great. We're doing great. Look at that. Look at that. It's great. This is astonishing. Okay, we're going to keep going, guys. I'll fly through this a little faster. Okay, Innoviva MSGN. Is MSGN still on? I don't think so. I hope not. Oh, it is. MSGN is staying. Great. Premier Inc. Oh, look at that. Total loss. It's a loser. See ya. He's definitely gone, I think. Let's look. Premier Inc. Okay. Premier Inc. Sell all shares. Yada, yada. Perfect. While I fly through some of this, guys, I'd be happy to answer any other questions about our plans moving forward with Everything Money. We're almost home here. Okay, I hate this one. Perdocio is still on the list. I hate you. You're staying. Oh boy. Okay, Supernus Pharmaceuticals. Supernus. They're still on. Whoop-de-doo. They're staying. What are they up? Only 29%. Plenty of room to grow. Tivity Health. We did a video on this last year. It's hilarious, folks. If we do a Tesla video, we get like 10,000 views. If we do a video on Tivity Health, no one cares. And of course,
looks like it's not on there.
Look at Tivity Health, 136%. This is a 10xer. No, it's not. I'm kidding with you. We're selling it though. You've been good to me, Tivity. Go to the moon without me. Okay. Great.
Leonardo's saying, what frequency you suggest do this update in portfolio?
I'm sorry?
What frequency do you suggest updating your portfolio or updating in your portfolio?
Yeah, so I'm only buying, guys, this is a more of a set it and forget it type thing. So I'm going to buy these now, and theoretically, if you didn't want to look at them for a year, you shouldn't, or you don't need to, or you can rest easy knowing you're good. So for me, I'm buying all at once, but if other people are dollar cost averaging in on a monthly basis, then your frequency would be whenever you want it to be. So yeah, let's see what's next, folks. So we did Supernus is staying on. How about, let me refresh here. Tivity is gone, I hope. Tivity?
Seth, are we still planning on doing videos for kids this summer?
Yeah, it's a good question. I tried to have Gio on today as my co-host, and he wouldn't get his ass out of bed. And so I think we are trying. Unis Corp is, look at this. Now, how the hell is a stock up 142%, folks, and still undervalued? UIS, let's look at this puppy. What is going on with this thing?
UIS.
UIS, look at this. Unis Corporation, what do they do here? Okay, let's look at their 10-year. Oh, I see. Okay, so they still, look at this. They still have not reached all-time highs, and not by a long shot, actually. So market cap of a 1.6 billion. Free, well, they didn't make any money last year. That's tough. And negative profit. Uh-oh. Free cash. Good Lord, look at this thing. Look at the 8 pillars on this one. This is death.
This one is still on the list, or is it off? Because the fundamentals show that.
Well, give me a second now. Let's pump the brakes here. Let's see. UIS is on.
It is on the list. Wow.
Okay, give me a second here. What's going on with this thing? So income statement. Okay, revenue down to down. That's not good. Income 190, 98, down, and then a weird 8 million, then back up to 15. Obviously something happened in here. Okay, this is yucky. This is a tough one to swallow. I think, how about the balance sheet? Assets over liabilities. I don't even know where I'm looking at. Total assets, 2.4. Liabilities. Oh, okay. Well, look at that. I can cover it. Cash flow. Let's see here. Okay, let's see here. Cash flow. We're here. 250 mil, 64 minus, back up. Yucky. Yuck.
That last free
Look at
cash
that.
flow
Look at that.
was
Minus one. Look at this.
horrible.
This is terrible. Okay, boy. This one's yikes. All right, here we go. I hope I trust you guys. I'm buying this. Holy cow. Well, can't go down much further. Well, wait a minute though. Then how did I do so well on it last year? Well, okay. Look, there you go. All right, we're staying with it. Oh boy, this is a crazy one. Okay, Vector Group. Go ahead, Nate.
Seth, here's a question from Ken. Shouldn't the winners be sold as well? On the book, step 6 is to sell each stock after holding for 1 year.
So, is that it? Is that what we're supposed to do? I mean, can someone tell me the reason why I would sell right now and then buy right now? Now this might just be for taxes purposes. I'm in a tax-free account, so I'm making it more confusing for everyone. But yeah, I could do that as well. Maybe this is why Paul should have been on the show. Do I just sell everything and start over? Anyone know what? Stick to the formula. I picked top 11 yesterday. You don't sell because of taxes. Yeah. Well, Noah is saying secure profits, but the profit, quote unquote profit, is just a number that it could go. These could all go to zero tomorrow. My profits. Don't sell and rebuy. Yeah, I realize taxation.
I feel like we did talk about that, Seth. Maybe even I asked the question earlier in the week about selling and rebuying. I'd say if you're up, it would be kind of counterintuitive.
It's all taxes. You know, guys, it's all taxes. If this was a general brokerage account where I would be paying earned income taxes, you pay a different amount whether you hold a stock for a year or not. So on my winners, I would hold it for more than a year, sell. Now I have to pay taxes on that, and then I would rebuy and start a new year. But this is a tax-free account. Yeah, so for us, there's no real need to resell. I mean, I guess theoretically, it's funny is it would take a lot longer, but I'd have to rebalance. Call Paul right now to verify. That's hilarious. I'm gonna call Paul.
Colin said, "I don't think you sell if you're keeping. I think you should even it out by adding additional money to make everything even."
That's what I'm gonna try and do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, all right, guys. Let's keep going here. Let's see if Uncle Paul's up to it right now. Let's see. He's abroad. Let's see if he answers, folks. Here's Uncle Paul. He's probably not gonna answer, is he? It's too early. Let's see. I don't keep selling while we're waiting for Paul. Oh Lord, what does that sound? Okay, Vector Group is still on. Paul, you're live on the show. Are you there?
I am. What's going on?
What are you doing? Are you still partying from the night before? It sounds like.
I am. No, we're at quote unquote breakfast at 10 o'clock in the morning, and obviously there's a lot of people around us.
Well, I'll let you go. All the patrons love you. They want to say hi. So,
how's the show going?
It's good. You're on it. This is the point.
What's up, Paul?
I know. I'm asking you. How's the show going?
It's good.
Hey, what's going on, Nate?
We're buying and selling right now. Yeah, we're buying and selling right now. Boy, one of these companies, Paul, Unisystem Corp. Oh God, the financials look dreadful, and they're telling us to buy, so we're going for it. So, all right.
Oh, well, it's financial, but for trading though.
What's that?
Isn't that for trading though?
No, this is on the 8 pillar. It looks like a bomb hit it, but there's the magic formula is telling us to still buy. I'll fill you in later though. You eat. We'll talk.
Oh
later.
yeah, you have to.
Yeah. All right, guys.
Bye.
I see you. There he is. The Paul Gabriel. Listen to him go. Okay. Unisystem, I hate you. You're still on the list. Okay. Vector Group is staying. Cactus Inc. Cactus. Ticker symbol WHD. Cactus. Where would Cactus be? WHD. I don't see it on the list. You, Nate? Cactus.
I'm
It's
not
under
seeing
Cat.
it.
It's not under W. It's gone. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this loser. 90%. I'm sure Stock Mode did a video on this banger. I'm certain of it. I mean, he must have, right? Look at the chart.
I mean, he's all about fundamentals.
Yeah, and long-term holding. You're right. So this is only. Yeah, you're right, Nate. What was I thinking? Okay, keep coming with this. Keep coming with the. Oh my God, that's right, Matthew. Paul, we have questions about taxes. Imagine if we took a tax question at a Turks and Caicos breakfast. Okay.
Wow.
Man, I should have done that. It's so funny. Okay. All right, here we go. We're almost home, guys. WW Intel Inc. Only up 42%. Is it on here? WW Intel Inc. No, it's dead to us now. See ya. Okay, here we are. This is fun to do live, actually. It's much more lonely to do by yourself.
Yeah, this is cool. We have an audience. Some of us are even taking part in it right now.
Oh, snap. What's everyone? Oh, okay. Okay. Well, we'll get the fun part here when we start hitting the buy button here in a minute. Okay, last one. Xerox. Is it on? Xerox, I love you. It's not. How did we do with her? Woo, 55% since last year. Put in $5,000. Have 77777. I love it. Oh no, yeah, look at that. I only made $3,000 on that. Wow, I didn't know who the hell they were. Of course, I know who Xerox is. And yeah, if you're interested, you can send a fax. Oh, and by the way, Maurice Moschino won the book. Maurice, if you're watching, I love you. I looked at all the names, 382 comments, Discord comments, messages in Discord, messages in Patreon. I had a carrier pigeon arrive on my doorstep, Nate. Everyone reached out, and we're giving the book to Maurice Moschino of Australia. I'll send it to you, and you'll get it just in a few years from now once the mail delivers it to you. So congratulations on that.
Congratulations, Maurice. Sounds like we're sending it down under.
Down under. Okay, great. Okay, that is it, folks. This is exciting. Oh, my God. Okay, now, balances. Let's take a look. Let's make sure some of these all went away. Oh, my God. Look at this, folks. Okay, cash available to trade. $149,000 in gold bullion. Okay, so why don't we just call this 150 for for names, maybe for ease, we'll just call this 150, right? I mean, should we, Nate, or should we just divvy it up?
Let's. You know what?
Because I'm $500. I'm $420 away, so I'm gonna. Yeah. So,
let's call it 150. I stand behind that.
So. Okay, hold on a second, though. Hold on a second, Nate. So basically, folks, here's what we're gonna do. So, 150 in free cash. Okay, positions. Okay, here we go, folks. So, there's $243,000 as of today. You have 150. Oh, look, these numbers are changing now. Hide pending. Give me a second. Let's let this equilibrate a bit, folks. I'll take some questions while the market does its thing before we get going. Shipping via Priority Kangaroo, of course. You should buy all your stock picks on the show, Uncle Seth. Yeah, I'm going to right now, guys. Don't pick on Stock Mo. He was a financial advisor, of course. You're right. Nick, thank you so much. What was I thinking? Yep, Don, you're right. Let's get our elements ready. It's happening. Was that you?
Yep.
Look at that. Yep. And Nate just got a fax, oddly enough, speaking of Xerox. Okay. So, Nate, we got to do this now. Let me think about this. So we got to do a little math, which you know I'm really great at if you're patrons. So
I got my calculator ready.
Great. So wait a minute. Maybe it's right. Maybe for ease, maybe I should sell all this and redistribute. Is that it now? Oh, that is it. I'm sorry. Folks, let's get on the same board. So look here, guys. So I see. This is interesting. So like, for example, I have, oh, this is confusing. Sorry, guys. Again, let me recheck because look at this. For example, Nate, I have 10 grand in Deluxe, so I'm not gonna put, but I only have 6 grand in Signacorp. So to me, it would seem that I might follow the book as to sell all the winners and then reevaluate because I'm now more weighted into Deluxe, right?
That could work.
I'm more weighted into Deluxe. And again, folks, when it's all said, I just want a balance over these 30. I'm creating my own ETF. So I want to balance these over these 30 companies. And so I think we do need to do that, Nate, now that we're saying that. I mean, it does sound silly, but, and then the actuary is saying divide 243 divided by 30 and you get that total amount you need to put in each stock. Yeah, that's true. That is true. That might be a lot more math than we need to do. I mean,
I guess if we did sell the winners, it would just be resetting the magic formula. It's a blank slate instead of holding on to previous winners. What do you think about that?
well, yeah. So for example, folks, maybe Nate's right. Like, you ready, guys? Give me a second, everybody. I love you. 243 divided by 30. So we're, wow, 243,000 divided by 30. So we're putting $8,000 into each stock. That's right. Thank you, actuary. 8,100. And so I already have 10.6 in Deluxe Corp. So I would be overweighting Deluxe Corp. So yes, rebalance. Vinny Vin, the love of my life, is saying we should rebalance. Yes, and Mark is saying, would it be different if we're charged per trade or if we're in taxes? So yeah, I guess you're right, folks. Whoever said that, you're right. You know, I love you. We're selling, baby. We're just gonna do it, Nate. And then this will make it really easy to restart and pump this back up. So
Yep.
okay, great, guys. So awesome, good news. So I just delayed the show a bit, but other questions you guys have?
If the winner's total amount are above 8,000, you sell till you get that amount?
Well, theoretically, are. I think it is just a good move just to sell it all and rebuy. It does seem silly, but we want to rebalance our position. So if we've made a ton of money in one company, it means it probably has done really, really well. And so I want to rebalance and not put too much money into one. So yeah, and I'll be doing Beth's. So it's funny is I was going to sell my wife's today as well, but it looks like this is dragging out a little longer than I'd like. So not for just I don't want to drag you guys along all day, but we'll try and get this done.
Tim, are you taking part in the magic formula?
Oh, good question. Damn, I've already been going an hour. Wow.
Oh, I thought we only had one stock left for a second.
Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be nice? Okay, here we go, guys. We're still slaying, okay? Great. Perdicio, I hate your guts. Get out of here. I have to buy you again. Ugh, yuck. Get out of here.
What was the kicker for Paradiso? Why are you not a fan of this stock?
Oh, just because it's down. I'm just being silly. I mean,
yeah.
Maybe it's all the best thing ever. Somebody thinks it is. Magic Formula does. So let's see.
Maybe this year it'll be a big gainer. It's undervalued, we'll say.
It's bound to be undervalued now, or no, maybe it's not. Maybe it's just complete dog shit. But that's also a possibility. So yeah. Okay, guys, we're doing great. If you're just jumping in now, let me know where you're at. Yeah, I will lose all my original cost basis if you sell. Well, that's fine. That's okay. That's okay. I got it all. Oh, great. That's true. So. Okay, here we go. Yeah, just make sure you're putting in there where you're at, guys. How long you've been a patron member, and what color Tesla you're looking for next time. I did speak to the Tesla winner yesterday just to check in. He is very shocked, very appreciative. He hasn't even told some of his family members quite yet, and it seems like a very smart guy, Nate. He actually said, "I really would love the car, but I'm honestly thinking about investing it," which would
Really?
seem like a wise choice. So.
Well, that actually, we've been teaching this investing process, and now to hear him potentially investing it, that's actually pretty awesome.
Yeah. So let's see. Can we? I have a. I have a meeting with Paul's brother here in a moment, later this morning. So I was just checking in. Okay, guys. Okay, now here we go. Look at this. Positions, balances, boom. Okay, what does this mean? Thanks. I'll go to balance definitions. Oh God. Cash available to trade. This amount of available to purchase securities and cash without adding money to the account, yada, yada, yada. Buy and sell orders, executed buy orders reduces value. Of course it will. Okay. Well, why is it? Maybe it just needs to process here, guys. I love y'all. Let's see. Ask Seth if it'll be a triple gainer. I think he'll get it. No? Ask Seth if it'll be a triple gainer. I think he'll get it. I don't. How long do you plan on doing the magic formula? Glenn, the book says you better be ready to do the magic formula for 5 to 7 years. So I'm gonna be doing it for a long time. Oh, M1 Finance lets you rebalance with one click of a button. Probably, guys. Why wouldn't you follow the 8-pillar strategy, just buying all 8-pillar stock? Well, Virgil, remember, the 8-pillar is just a screener. So it's not just all 8-pillar stocks are not always auto buys. It takes the stock from a what is this to a hey, I'd like to look at this. And not all of our buys at the moment are 8-pillar stocks like CCL and some other ones. So 8 pillars is a guidance to get you in the right direction, which for me, I certainly needed. I didn't have any guidance at all. So let's see if this number changes, folks. So Nate, now it says that cash available to trade. Look at this, settled cash. Cash available to
settled cash.
I don't know. Cash available to withdrawal. Amount collected or available for immediate withdrawal. This balance includes core, yada, yada. Hell, this balance does not include deposits not cleared. Sell orders are reflected in this balance on the settlement date. And buy orders, okay. Well, I don't know what this means. It seems like here's my difference, right? This 12 something. This is kooky. Sorry, guys. I wasn't expecting this. So, oh, Rodney Dangerfield back to school. Oh, a triple gainer. Oh, Joel, you mean a triple Lindy? A triple gainer? Yeah, maybe. I do love Rodney. I mean, I love him. I'm a huge fan of that movie. Well, we want to start talking about movies. We'll just be, there we go.
And we'd be on here all day.
Hey, Joel. Yeah, Joel, I got you. That was the triple Lindy, and only Rodney could complete it, and his son, of course. Okay, guys. Let's see. Nate, I'm kind of stuck here because I don't know what to do. Something is settling. Cash available to trade. Oh, okay. I'm looking at the change, guys. I am so stupid. Here's our total. Ready? 243, 344. Okay, here we go, guys. This is good stuff now. I'm gonna get a text back from Mikey that he's gonna be pissed. Let's see. Hey, Tim. Tim is here, everyone. 243, 344 divided by 30. Okay, wow, folks. So last year I put in $5,000. This year per stock. This year I'm putting in $8,111. Wow. What a difference, folks. Okay. Okay, great, guys. I love you, Joel. Matt, yeah, boy, we get the triple Lindy. Oh my gosh, you guys are hearing it.
One thing Josh said, Seth, is I think cash takes 2 days to settle on Fidelity, but he could be wrong.
Okay. No, that's okay. I'm good. Look, I'm good here. Total value, total account to trade. We're buying, baby. Okay. All right. You ready? Let's get after some of this.
All right. Let's do it, Seth.
This is exciting. Okay. Trade. All right. Let's get this trade right here.
Hey, let us know in the comments if you will also be buying for the magic formula with Seth right now.
Oh my gosh, Nate, you're just slaying it. Okay, here we go. Oh my God. So can I make multiple orders? Let's see. Oh my God. Okay, I can. You ready? Here we go.
All right, let's do this.
ASO. Its ticker symbol is ASO. Don't know what it is. Let's look it up. Boom. I'm buying. Let's see. So buy shares, dollars, amount, 8111. Market.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, now can I do more of these? Expanded ticket? No. Okay. Simplified ticket. Buy. 8111. Market. Buy it, baby. Preview order. Your estimated cash.
I think you.
Thanks, guys. That was shares.
You said 8. Yeah.
You can't buy all that. What do you? Okay, here we go. $8,000 estimated order value, including 0% commission. Boom. I love you. Boom. Next on the list. Here
How
we
bad
go.
would that have been if you bought like
$8
your
billion.
whole-
Yeah, just like that. Oh my God, can you imagine? Okay, Altria Group was still on the list. I missed it. MO, we're buying this. We're buying the smoking. I dig it. The ticker symbol is MO. MO? MO? Hello. Altria Group, we're buying dollars. Let's go, baby. 8111. Boom. Market. Let's buy it. This is exciting. It's gone.
There we go.
Stock number 3, H&R Block. You know I love you. HRB.
HRB for
is
Seth.
happening. There you are. I'll do my taxes. Buy dollars. 8111. Market. Boom, baby. Here we go, guys. Do limit trades?
Make sure to place the order.
Thanks. That's why I have Nate on here. Now I can change your. Do you buy? Do people? We have to talk about limit trades. I don't do limit trades, but I guess I could. I mean, theoretically, I should talk to Paul about this. Do you do limit trades on this? I mean, if the market actually tanks tomorrow, I do want to maybe get out of some of these. So, but you can fix that later, folks. Okay, the buckle. I can't believe I'm buying the buckle. This seems so silly, but we're going for it. Buckle, buy dollars, 8111, market, let's go, preview order, place the order. Okay, Catalyst, CPRX, let's buy CPRX, boom, buy dollars, 8111. Wow, this is really wild. Last year was $5,000. I can't believe I made so much freaking money. It's incredible, guys. Cigna, go ahead, Nate.
So I guess with entering the dollar amount, you really could do this with any amount of money, even if you're buying just like a very small like portion of some shares.
Let's see if it'll let me buy $2 worth. Yes, that's funny. Now again, some places don't let you do this, Nate. Some countries don't let you do this. So, oh no, Mikey, I can probably make it actually. I can make it.
Guys, keep the comments coming. Keep smashing that like button. We're enjoying the show so far, and it's been awesome to be buying these stocks. So let's get back to it.
Thanks for filling in. Okay, CTRN. What is this? CTRN. Here we go. I'm buying dollars. 8111. Market, preview. We are buying. Great. Seems a lot like more. There's not more than 30 here. Okay. I bought Cigna Deluxe, DLX. I hope I'm on that one, Nate. DLX Deluxe. Here we are. Buying dollars. 8111. Market. Let's go. Place it. What's next? Dick's Sporting Good. Let's do it, baby. DKS. Dick's Sporting Goods. We're going to buy dollars. 8111. Market. Preview. All right. We're going to keep going, guys. This is exciting. Any questions out there, Nate?
Let's see.
Fulgent Genetics. Who knows what that is? FLGT. FLGT. Who knows? Who cares? I'm buying it. Buy dollars. 8111. I like that number, Nate. This is a good. This is good.
So German wants to confirm. So you ended up selling everything regardless if
I
they were on
did.
the
Yes,
list.
Herman. I
Herman.
did. Yes, I did. Yep, for sure. Gilead. We've done a video, Tim, on Gilead, haven't we? GILD. Gilead Sciences. I'm buying dollars. 8111. Market. We're gonna keep going. Preview. Yas, Queen. Here we go. Keep going.
Seth, should we ask Joel Greenblatt to come on the show?
Yes, we should. Now he's worth $500 million, and so he would probably want a private jet. But we'll talk to Uncle Paul. Hibbett Inc. HIBB. Boy, Look at this banger.
That's a pillar stuff.
Hibbit. Oh, is it?
Uh-huh.
Hibbit. Oh boy. Hibbit. Hibbit to me. Hibbit. Here we go. Dollars. 8111. I'm gonna now over the course of this year, I'm gonna fall in love with some of these, even if they fall. Hibbit. Give it to me, Hibbit. Whole Logic Inc. HOLX. Whole Logic Inc. Boom.
Colin is saying, anyone know if you can buy fractional shares on TD? I myself use Schwab, so if anyone knows about either of these firms, let us know in the comments.
I'm not selling it. I'm buying it. You crazy.
They do have like stocks.
Place it. Boom. There we go. HP. You know I love you, HP. HP. What is this ticker symbol? HPQ. HPQ. Boom. Let's go. Buy it, baby. Dollars. 8100. Market. Let's buy it. Place an order. Boom. We're through the H's. Innoviva. Oh, one of my only losers from last year. INVA. Let's buy it, baby. INVA. Innoviva.
We've done some videos on Innoviva.
We have, yeah. We're gonna buy 8,100 worth. Market. Boom. Innoviva. Boom. Oh my gosh, this is like Ironwood Pharmaceuticals, another banger. You guys know this one. I'm sure Meet Kevin's really bullish on Ironwood Pharmaceuticals. IRWD. IRWD. It feels weird buying these stocks when everyone else isn't. Buy. Can you imagine the next Meet Kevin video on Ironwood Pharmaceuticals? It's Aerotech, Aerodyne. What was that from Wolf of Wall Street? Aerotech. Midwest. Okay, let's keep going, guys. Okay, here we go. MSGN. You know I love you, MSGN. We're buying it. MSGN. Class A. Buy. Dollars. 8111. Love it, guys. Preview order.
Joel said INVA to the moon.
To the Viva to the moon. It's going from 12 to yeah, that's funny. Okay, here we go. Nautilus. This one's a tough one. Nautilus.
Ticker symbol NLS.
Oh, thanks, Nate. You're really on this. Nautilus. Hello. Buy. Dollars. 8111. Nautilus. I love you. Probably not. You're losing money, but we're going for it. It's cheap. We're buying it. Okay, next. Perdocio.
Oh, your favorite.
Perdocio. I hate you. PRDO. Here we go. Perdocio. I hate you. I'm buying you. Great. 8111. And as Stock Mo would say, look, we're up 0.3 today. I told you. Okay, I could just keep going on and on. Tim and I are planning some videos behind the scenes, guys, for some crazy, funny videos. Quest Diagnostics. Hello. DGX. DGX. Tim, we have to do this a video on DGX. Quest Diagnostics because Arthur, love him.
Yeah, he contributed.
Yep, he did. He gave $50 last live stream.
I think we lead Tuesday's live stream with it.
Great. Arthur, we got you. If you're watching, we love you and we got you. DGX. Too soon? Okay. Let's see. Let's keep going. Quidel Corp. QDEL. I know everyone's buying Quidel. QDEL. Of course. We all know it. We all love it. Quidel. This is almost a comedy bit.
Matthew Jones said, next time we do this, we need to have a submarine theme. Torpedo tube 1 flooded. And fire! Flashing red lights, dive alarms, the works.
Okay. Sage Therapeutics. You know it, you love it. Sage, which I cook with often. If you haven't seen the Everything Money beef jerky episode that I did for you guys about how to make my beef jerky, it's on there. Search it up. I don't know how, but good luck. I do a whole beef jerky cook from start to finish. The amazing Everything Money beef jerky. In stores soon. Supernus Pharmaceuticals, SUPN. Everyone knows and loves these guys. Of course. Buy dollars. 8111. Market limit. Bam. And what's next? Of course, TriNet Group.
Ticker symbol TNET.
Skynet, TNet, Skynet. It's all the same. We're buying it. I'm bullish on TNet. What is going on? Oh, God. I mean, Nate, when you do a quick search, I want to see if there's a single YouTube video on TriNet Group. Just look up TriNet Group stock analysis. I'm sure it's Keenan or Chicken Genius or whatever the name is. Tupperware.
Ticker symbols TNET.
Tupperware. You know, I love you. I use you every single day. Never. What does Chicken Genius say? Never bet against a company that you wouldn't use. And I know you're putting your old chicken noodle soup in Tupperware. So that's why I'm buying it. I'm not even going to think about it. I love Tupperware. I really do, though. Doesn't everybody? Put my beef jerky in it. Here we go. Unisys Corp, UIS. Tim, how's the internet buzz on TriNet? Try Skynet. I'm assuming it's nothing.
There's a video from 3 years ago with 397 views.
Boom. I told you. People love it out there. Subscribe. Auto-subscribe. Get in the Patreon for the TriNet fan club.
Wait, their earnings call had 23 views 4 months ago.
I told you. TriNet, Skynet, it's all the same. Viacom. Did I do Vector Group? What the hell did I just do? I have no clue. Unisystem? What did I just do here? Unisystem. Vector Group, VGR. We're buying you. Look at you go.
You know, there's probably some people out there who are using the magic formula, and they're like, "Oh, what is this company, Innoviva or Activity Health?" I know that's not on the list anymore, and
yes.
No one has made a video on it, but us. And we're the extra source that they might be going to. It's interesting to think about that.
Oh wow, Nate, you're so insightful. Listen to him go, folks. What did I just buy? Stop. I love you.
Vector Group.
Vector. Here we go. Viacom. We love it. We actually do know this one.
VIAC.
VIAC. We're buying this. Buy dollars. Now, folks, in the next 365, if all this crashes, we have a second COVID outbreak, and all these go to zero, that very well might happen. And if it does, I have to rest easy knowing that I've done the right thing in my mind. So, as they all say, why do they always say that? This is not financial advice. Well, it kind of is, at least in my book. This is what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Vontier Corp. We all know Vontier. You know them, you love them. VNT. Boom. Vontier. I can't get enough of these people. Have no clue what they do. They could be selling rubber sex toys, and I'm buying them. Vontier Group, I'm loving it.
Nice.
Hope my son's not watching. Okay, and the last one, Zoomies Inc. Oh my God. Yeah. Ticker symbol is ZUMZ.
That's like a skateboarding clothing company.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
ZUMZ. We're buying the dollars. I want to make sure on this one, though. I don't trust this one as much. Let's look up ZUMZ. Why are these people great? Let's look at the 8 pillars and see what's going on. Wow, look at this. PE of 9. Good profit margin. Nice revenue growth. Look at this, folks. Look at this. 1 billion market cap, free cash, 150 mil. That's trading less than 10 to 1. Let's do it, baby. Zoomy. I love you now, all of a sudden. Big fan.
And
that was it, folks. We've done it. I congratulate you out there if you are buying your stocks today. I won't. Yes, my hands are shaking. Joel's saying everyone already bought. I need a disclaimer at the beginning of it. Whoops. We'll just pretend I said that. Okay, folks. That's it. I'm going to buy my wife's stocks. I know I said I'd do it now. But I didn't think this would take this long. I appreciate everyone sticking around. Mo is not going live tomorrow, Friday. He's on a beach somewhere. But we will be back in full swing, Tim, next week with Monday. Mo's everywhere. We'll be scheduling the next fireside chat this month. New portfolios go out this month. And Nate will be helping us. And Nate leaves in a few months to go back to school. So we'll have a rest and pepperoni party for him. So, all All right, guys, that is our take. That is my take on the Little Book. Congrats to Maurice Mochino. I'm going to email you. And Maurice, you better answer your email, because if you don't, I'm going to pick a new winner, because, I love all you out there. And we're doing more of this, guys. So congrats to Phil Sue on the Tesla. Congrats to Maurice for winning the signed book. And congrats to you for investing in yourself. And Trinet. Is it Trinet or Trinet?
TriNet.
And congrats on investing in Skynet. And you'll be better off for it, I hope. And if not, don't blame me. I love you. You're getting all this from our weird YouTube page. Funny stuff, guys. So, all right. I'll see you guys later. Love you guys.
Thanks for tuning in.